So today I'll be showing you how to connect your Sony Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network. Now this is very simple. From the homepage, just scroll on that menu at the top until you get to settings. Select that. Under settings, scroll down to network and internet. Select that and then make sure Wi-Fi is on, because if it's off, then you can't connect to a Wi-Fi network. So you need to make sure Wi-Fi is on, and when it's on, it's going to scan automatically for available Wi-Fi networks, and you're going to see all available Wi-Fi networks here. So select the network you want to connect to, and then you're going to have to type in the password. Okay, so just use that keyboard to type in the password, and keep in mind that all these passwords should be case sensitive. So just take your time and type your password, and then select the check mark, the bottom right corner, and it should connect to your Wi-Fi. There you go. Thanks for watching and good luck.